Hi, this is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson Math Talk channel on YouTube. Today we have an interesting problem here. It says express the following without using absolute value symbol. Okay, now the first one is pretty easy. X squared plus 3 is always bigger than 0, so absolute value of x squared plus 3 actually equal to x squared plus 3. Okay, then we're done. Now, second one is more of an interesting one, 4x squared minus 1. Now, if you have done this one a little bit earlier, you would know that this one is actually a second order graph. So there is a chunk that going to be dipping under below the 0. Okay? As a matter of fact, when x equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. Okay, so the way we would do this one is actually we're going to have to separate the domain out. So minus half, half, and 0 is here. Okay, so on this half, let's write this one out. So this one is actually equal to, let's factor it. So it's 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. Okay. Now, on this factor over here, let's take a look. Let's redraw this one over here, the minus half, positive half. Okay, so depending on where x is, you're going to have to use different expression for this absolute value of 4x squared minus 1 to make it a positive. When x is less than minus half, let's say minus 1, this chunk is going to be negative. So I have a negative times this chunk is also going to be a negative. So I'm going to actually have a positive. Okay, so this chunk, so long as less than minus half, I'm okay. Let's take a look at this chunk. If I have a positive 1 here, I have a positive for the first one and a positive for the second one. So I also have a positive. Okay, so long if x is less than minus half, x squared minus 1 with absolute value is equal to 4x squared minus 1. Okay, there's no trouble over there. Same thing over here. If x is bigger than half, I don't have any trouble with that one either. Okay, this is equal to 4x squared minus 1. So you can actually safely take it up. It's in between here that's in trouble. Let's see if we pick a 0. Okay, now I have a minus multiply a positive. So I actually have a minus for this section. So if x is in between half and a positive minus half, I actually have to flip it. It's actually going to be 1 minus 4x squared is equal to 4x squared minus 1 with the absolute value. Okay, so here's the answer. You do have to separate it out for this one. It's a 3 segment. All right, hope this helped. Have a confident day.